In this video, I will walk you through the steps to apply for a personal loan with Metrobank, ensuring a smooth and straightforward process. So without further ado, let's get started. First off, head over to the Metrobank website and find your way to the personal loan page. Now, once you're there, hit the Apply Now button to kickstart the process. Now, the initial question will be whether you're an existing Metrobank client, so go ahead and simply select the appropriate option. Next up is the loan application details. Here, you will need to input your desired loan amount, purpose, and loan term. And from this part, you will also get a breakdown of your loan with total interest, fees, and tax. Okay, so after that, just proceed through the process providing your basic, personal, and employment details, and just be prepared for potential additional information requests, and don't forget to upload the necessary documents. And that's it. Just follow the prompts, fill in the required information, and you're on your way to applying for a personal loan with Metrobank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.